Hi, what are you doing today?
Nothing special. I'm just reading a book.
Oh, nice. What book is it?
It's about people and their dreams.
That sounds interesting. What kind of dreams?
Dreams about jobs, travel, and success.
Do you have a dream job?
Yes, I want to be a teacher.
Wow, that's great. Why a teacher?
Because I like helping other people learn.
That's a beautiful reason.
Teachers are important.
Thank you. What about your dream job?
I want to be a pilot.
A pilot? That's so cool.
Yes, I want to travel the world.
You will see many places and people.
Yes, that's what I like most.
Do your parents support your dream?
Yes, they always tell me to try hard.
That's nice. My parents support me too.
They say, work hard and you can do it.
Yes, parents always give good advice.
They know what's best for us.
Do you think dreams are easy to reach?
Not easy, but not impossible.
Yes, I agree. We just need effort.
And a strong heart to keep going.
That's right. Sometimes things get hard.
Yes, but we should never give up.
What will you do after school?
I'll go to college to study teaching.
That's a good plan. Which subject?
Maybe English or science? I like both.
Those are useful subjects. You'll do great.
Thanks. What will you study?
I'll study aviation. It's about flying.
Oh, wow. That sounds exciting.
Yes, it's my big dream since childhood.
Do you like airplanes?
Yes, I love watching them in the sky.
Same. They look so free and strong.
Yes, like birds flying everywhere.
Exactly. One day, you'll fly one too.
I hope so.
What if your dream changes later?
That's okay. Life always changes.
True. The most important thing is happiness.
Yes, to do what we love.
And to make others happy too.
You're right. A kind heart matters most.
Do you think we'll meet again after school?
Of course. We'll be friends forever.
Yes, maybe we'll work together one day.
Maybe. You can fly, I can teach.
That sounds like a nice team.
Yes, let's both follow our dreams.
Deal. We'll make them come true.
Okay, now I feel motivated.
Me too. Talking about dreams feels good.
Yes, it gives us hope and energy.
All right, let's go study for now.
Yes, small steps to big dreams.
Exactly. See you tomorrow at school.
See you. Keep dreaming big.